Imagine millions of people across the globe receive the same notification. Your services are no longer required. In this simulation, we explored a 90% horizon. By next year, advancements in agentic AI and robotics have reached a tipping point. Every routine task, from data entry to long-haul trucking, and even complex roles like legal analysis and medical diagnostics, is now performed by machines that never sleep, never tire, and never ask for a raise. The global economy hits a wall. Within weeks, the traditional work-for-pay model collapses. Without wages, consumer spending evaporates. The retail giants fall first, followed by the housing market as mortgages go unpaid. This is the automation paradox. Companies have become infinitely efficient at producing goods, but they have eliminated the very customers who buy them. The stock market enters a SaaS apocalypse, where software companies lose trillions in value overnight because AI has replaced the need for their platforms. Governments are forced into a corner. To prevent total societal collapse, the Universal Basic Income, UBI, is no longer a debate, it is a survival necessity. Wealth taxes on compute power are implemented to fund a monthly stipend for every citizen. But money isn't the only problem. We face a crisis of meaning. For centuries, human identity has been tied to what we do. Without jobs, a psychological vacuum opens. Depression and digital hedonism skyrocket as people struggle to find purpose in a world that doesn't need their labor. In the wreckage of the old economy, a new 10% emerges. These are the orchestrators, the few humans whose jobs require extreme empathy, high-stakes creativity, or spiritual leadership. While the masses live on UBI, the orchestrators manage the AI swarms. Education shifts from learning a trade to mastering the prompt. The value of a human touch becomes the ultimate luxury. A hand-carved chair or a human-led therapy session becomes more expensive than a mansion built by robots. 13 o'clock to 15 o'clock. The final conclusion is 90% automation a nightmare or liberation. We are standing at the edge of the most significant shift in human history since the invention of fire. We could be entering a post-scarcity utopia where we pursue art, philosophy, and family, or we could be entering a digital feudalism where a tiny elite owns the algorithms of life. The outcome depends on the choices we make today. We are the architects of the probable Earth. We have entered the age of the machine. If your job was automated tomorrow and your basic needs were met by a government stipend, who would you become? Would you finally chase the dream you put off for a paycheck? Or would you lose yourself in the void of idleness? Write your one-paragraph post-work manifesto in the comments below. I'll be pinning the most inspiring vision for a human future.